here, the air is thin and clear. Time melts away, I feel no fear. My thoughts dissolve like morning mist. In empty space I cease to resist. All that held me down below, rising higher than before, breaking free from what I wore. Everything I thought I knew dissolves into the endless blue. The earth beneath seems far away. The sunlight bathes each passing day. My spirit soars on currents high, where peace and silence sanctify the burden of my earthly way, transforms into this floating state. Let me stay suspended here where gravity can interfere with this perfect harmony. You